Hi guys, this is the ingredients list, so just check it out. So let's start to make caldereta. First, you have to peel the potatoes. Okay, then next, peel the carrots. Then cut the carrots and potatoes into cubes. And then next one, cut the capsicum or the bell pepper and slice it whatever shapes you want. And then lastly, the onions and the garlic. Then just cut into small pieces. Okay, then cutting, so let's start to go. I already heat the pan and then put some little bit of oil. Okay, the oil is ready for cook, so you have to fry first the carrots and potatoes. Then also fry the capsicum or the bell pepper. Which is already cooked, so just set aside and then we will put that later. On the same pan, let's start to saute garlic. And then after, put the onion. The onion and garlic are cooked, so now we can put the beef. This beef I already boiled it for like about an hour, so it will be easy to cook because the beef are already soft. Just mix a little and then try to leave it for a while so that it will be perfectly cooked and soft. Now you can add the salt and veggie to taste. Leave it for a while. Now I will make this caldereta mix. Just put the hot boiled water and then just mix it together. You can now add the caldereta mix and the tomato sauce. Just mix it all together and boil it for a while. It's almost cooked, so just add some little bit of sugar for sweetness. Now you can add the vegetable that we fried a while ago. After that, you can now put the cheese, and that's it. It's already cooked. Now you can enjoy the cheesy caldereta. Just close the pan so that the cheese will melt. Enjoy!